The NOMGEG Music electric guitar table lamp stands out as a unique piece of functional art that appeals especially to music lovers and guitar enthusiasts. Crafted from high-quality wrought iron pipes, this lamp embodies a retro industrial style that is both visually striking and durable. The black painted finish adds to its vintage appeal, making it a fitting addition to a variety of room decors such as living rooms, music studios, offices, or even cafes and bars. The lamp features a T45 Edison LED bulb that emits a warm yellow light, contributing a cozy ambiance to any space. The included 51-inch cable with an on-off switch offers practical usability, allowing the lamp to be positioned flexibly on tabletops. One of the most captivating aspects of this lamp is its design, which resembles a steampunk robot figure holding a mini electric guitar. The miniature guitar is detailed with tuning pegs, strings, and a glossy red and white finish, all housed in a black leather case that adds to the authenticity and charm. The lamp's arm is adjustable, enabling the guitar to be perfectly displayed on the figure's arm, enhancing the artistic presentation. This attention to detail makes the lamp not only a source of light, but also a conversation piece and a decorative accent that reflects a passion for music and creativity. Users across the internet have praised the lamp for its sturdy assembly and the quality of materials used. The solid metal construction makes it a heavy and durable item, ensuring it will last a lifetime. Many reviews highlight the lamp's ability to provide ample light, with some recommending the use of a dimmer switch to modulate the brightness for more intimate or ambient settings. The warm glow of the Edison bulb complements the lamp's artistic design, creating a moody and inviting atmosphere that has garnered compliments from guests and visitors. The lamp has proven to be a popular gift choice, especially for music teachers, guitar players, musicians, and anyone with an appreciation for music-themed decor. Several reviewers have shared their satisfaction with gifting this lamp, noting the joy it brought to recipients and the way it enhances music rooms or personal spaces. Its size, approximately 7 by 7 by 13 inches, is larger than some might expect, which adds to its presence without overwhelming the room. While the majority of feedback is positive, there are occasional reports of issues such as broken bulbs upon arrival and less responsive customer service. These instances appear to be exceptions rather than the norm, but are worth noting for potential buyers. Despite this, the manufacturer, NOMGEG, emphasizes commitment to quality and customer support, inviting customers to reach out with any concerns. Overall, the NOMGEG Music electric guitar table lamp combines artistic design with practical lighting in a way that resonates deeply with music lovers. Its retro industrial aesthetic, detailed craftsmanship, and warm lighting make it a standout piece for anyone looking to add character and charm to their environment. Whether used as a centerpiece in a music room or as a unique gift, this lamp offers both style and substance. Pros include its durable metal construction, adjustable features, and the captivating design that doubles as art. Cons are limited but include occasional customer service delays and the potential for fragile bulbs during shipping. For those interested in music-themed decor or searching for a distinctive lamp that reflects a love of guitars and vintage style, this product is highly recommended. The link to purchase the lamp is in the description, and using it supports the channel. If you own this lamp, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This lamp is not just a source of light, it is a celebration of music and creativity that will brighten any room both literally and figuratively.